From the very first week of yoga breathing practice, you will notice a profound state of rest and relaxation. You will notice the release of accumulated stress. Multiple researchers have reported significant reductions in cholesterol and hypertension, which is blood pressure levels. This mini workout is level 1 of 5 levels of workout to lower the high blood pressure naturally. In case you are taking some medicines for high blood pressure, do not discontinue them without your doctor's permission, even if you're feeling much better. The practices are really simple, and the only guiding principle would be how comfortable you are doing these exercises. Just slow down whenever you feel you are exerted. The very first practice of this mini workout is connecting with your breath. We'll take a few moments to close our eyes and notice how we are feeling. How is our breath? Is it fast, slow, deep, shallow? Just connect with your body and your breath. Just observe, just notice how we are feeling. Take a long, deep breath in and breathe out through your mouth with a ha sound. Again, breathe in and breathe out with the ha sound. Repeat this for a couple of times. Breathe in as slowly as possible and then breathe out with a ha sound. Continue. After completing this breath, you may relax. Return back to your normal breathing. Normally, we do not pay attention to our breathing process, and as a result, the breathing tends to become unsteady, shallow. And once we start to watch, the breathing calms down, slows down a bit. And there are multiple research studies that suggest that slowing down of breathing is highly beneficial to hypertensive patients. One of the reasons is it activates the parasympathetic nervous system and the vagal nerves. The second practice of this mini workout is ocean breathing or the Ujjayi breath. The Ujjayi sounds like ocean sound. And the way we produce this sound is very simple. Just like the way we fog a mirror. Now breathe in and out using the same sound. Now with the closed mouth. Relax. Relax and come back to normal breathing. Ujjayi does not have to be very loud. I just made it a bit louder so you could hear it. The Ujjayi can be as quiet as the person sitting next to you won't even realize that you are practicing Ujjayi. And it can be a bit louder as well. Both are okay. So basically you are slightly constricting the back of your throat, creating a small slit. So the air is passing through the small slit, creating the ocean sound. Now let's practice Ujjayi a few more rounds, and let's try to keep it as slow and steady as possible. If you want, you may keep your eyes open, and I'll use the movement of my palms to indicate the speed with which you could inhale and exhale. So let's start. Relax and return back to the normal breathing. When we practice Ujjayi breathing, our relaxation system, the parasympathetic nervous system, is nicely activated, and it is so beneficial for your overworking heart. For some of us, it may take a few days to practice and get comfortable with Ujjayi. That's okay. Give yourself some time. The next practice in this mini workout is the humming sound, the Bhramari Pranayama. Humming calms the chaotic waves in the brain, meaning the unwanted noise in the nervous system is reduced, and therefore the real signal or the real processes sharpens. In this pranayama, we hum like a bee. For Bhramari, place your index finger on your ears. We'll not put our finger inside the ear, but we'll use the finger to open and close the small cartilage, the small lid just outside of the ears, and press it gently to close the ears. You may watch me once practicing Bhramari, and then we may practice Bhramari together for a couple of times. So take a long deep breath in through the nose, and while exhaling through the nose, I'm making a humming sound at a high pitch like that of a bee, and at the same time I'm opening and closing the small lid outside the ears. Now let's together practice 3 rounds of Bhramari Pranayam. Take a deep breath in. Breathe in. One more time, breathe in. Relax and return back to the normal breathing. Bhramari Pranayam gives you focus, and at the same time it helps your nervous system calm down and relax. So you are focused and relaxed at the same time, and it's a beautiful combination. So you may do it in a lower pitch like It's okay, but it's more beneficial if you do it at a high pitch like The last exercise in this workout is called Dirgha Futkriti, or the long silent whistle. Dirgha Futkriti is another very simple and powerful breathing exercise which really helps you calm your nervous system down. So in this exercise, we take a quick inhale from our nose and breathe out through our mouth, making a small circle with our lips as if you're whistling but without the sound. So basically a long exhalation with mouth not wide open, as if you're blowing the air out. And if you have noticed, we do this naturally when we are overstressed. It is our body's natural way of healing and relaxing us. And when we do it with a bit of awareness, intentionally, it's much more powerful. Now let's practice Dirgha Futkriti a couple of times. So let's take a quick inhale through nose and blow the air out slowly with the imaginary straw. Another quick inhale through the nose and blow the air out slowly. Another quick inhale. Relax and return back to the normal breathing. 4 simple exercises. It nicely activates the parasympathetic nervous system, stimulates the vagal nerves, and helps in healing process within both the physical and the emotional system.